What happened?
We're here at TX2K. We haven't even bought our tickets yet, and it's already hailing. Raining and hailing. TX2K. We've been here for like 5 minutes. It's already raining and hailing. It's freezing cold. I'm wearing like a dress, pantsuit, and a sweater. I don't even know if we're gonna go inside because this is an outdoor event. The track's gonna be wet. They're not even gonna race. We drove an hour to get here. Sick. Alright guys, so we finally made it inside TX2K. It's day one for us. The hail went away, the sun's coming out, and we're seeing a lot of amazing cars so far, so right now they're doing the GTR class. A lot of the GTRs aren't actually making their way down the track. There's a lot of breakdowns. We're not really sure if it's because the track is still wet. It seems like the left lane is doing a lot worse than the right side, but still. Track again today for day 2. We only have a couple hours before we have to leave because we have to catch our flights back home. Super lame. We're having so much fun out here. So today's pretty much going to consist of more track passes and anything we didn't shoot yesterday. So let's go. Unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to actually go to Mexico. I think it's something to do with me not getting my passport on time. But you know what? I just have to say one thing. If you guys drove all the way out here to do street racing in Mexico, line it up. Don't be scared of other cars. Come on, that's what it's all about, right? Anyway, maybe next year I'll go to Mexico. I want to show you guys some of my favorite builds that I've seen over the past day and a half. So yeah, come with me, I'll show you guys. It's going to be the end of the road for us. We had such a fun time here at TX2K. What other events would you guys want to see us at? Leave a comment down below and let us know. We'll do national, international. We've had so much fun.